Hello, friends. Today we want to talk with you about how you can make purchases, transfer money anywhere in the world using the tools of the Kunos blockchain platform. Kunos X stablecoin is a crypto asset that has a fixed price and allows you to make purchases, pay for services and simply transfer money around the world. For example, let's consider someone who wants to deliver euros from China to Switzerland. This way, this person can buy Kunos X from a Kunos agent in China. He then sends these to Switzerland via the electronic wallet quickly and easily, and then an agent can convert the Kunos X into euros. Since the bank does not have to give a confirmation, this works at any time. Also, Kunos X can be used to make purchases in another country without risk to the buyer and seller. For example, if you live in Germany and order jewelry from US, you can use Kunos escrow service and pay with Kunos X to purchase what you want. The seller then sees the payment already made and can safely send the jewelry to Germany. He can then change the received Kunos X to dollars or euros or keep the Kunos X and benefit from the 5% annual return. Everything is very easy and simple. Shop safely with Kunos X.